In this video, I'm going to show you one of the quickest and easiest ways to duplicate and repeat shapes in Affinity. If you've ever needed to create perfectly spaced copies of an object, this trick will definitely speed up your workflow. Duplicating shapes in Affinity is incredibly simple. For example, I have a star on my canvas. The most basic way to duplicate it is to select the star and press Cmd or Ctrl J, which instantly creates a copy in the Layers panel. But there's an even faster and more efficient method for making repeated duplicates. All you need to do is click and drag the shape. While dragging, hold Cmd or Ctrl to create a copy. Just make sure you keep the key held down until you release the mouse. Since dragging freely lets the shape move in any direction, you can add Shift as well to lock the movement horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. Perfect for lining up multiple shapes in a straight row. Once you've positioned the first duplicate where you want it, release the mouse and keys. After that, you can press Cmd or Ctrl J again to repeat the exact same transformation, creating a series of evenly spaced copies. If you're coming from Illustrator, you might be used to pressing Cmd or Ctrl D, but in Affinity, the shortcut for repeating the last transform is Cmd or Ctrl J. And that's how to quickly duplicate and repeat shapes in Affinity. It's a simple technique, but once you start using it, you'll fly through repetitive design tasks. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more quick Affinity tips. Thanks for watching.